Which visitors are we talking about?
Yeah, after we got the designs in June last year, in July, we had another site meeting here with the Minister for Local Government. Now, he appreciated what was being done, but he said, look, this is 2024. Let us revisit the design again, so that the seating capacity is extended, 1. 2, instead of having concrete seats, we should have bucket seats. And the very final finish should indeed speak to 2024, not the
That is not a problem.
Yes.
But with that,
Yes.
did it mean that everything else should stop? Because change of design did not mean abandoning the whole thing. When you say change, it doesn't mean that the whole thing was going to be changed. What about the reinforcement there? Was it going to be changed as well? We can cement to Sense of design is going my experts, I'm asking as a lay person, I just want to appreciate. There is also asita.
Your Honor, the major change was the anchoring system. Because initially we had a lighter roof. What was specified was synthetic material, which mimics.
When are you finishing?
Your Honor, within 4 months.
Okay. So you are saying 4 months, we are done. Okay. This is what? July, yeah?
23rd.
23rd.
1 million.
July 23rd, yeah? July, right? 2024. So this is July, August, September, October. So 23 October 2024. We are done, right? Sign on your back. No, the dishes will come later. Sign on your back. No, July, August, September. July, August, September, October, November. Yeah, November. We can put November here, no problem. Okay, madam, you have something to say?
As I put up earlier, that our completion is dependent on approvals of the price adjustments. If those price adjustments are not approved, we won't be able to complete.
Are you working with the ministry?
Yes.
Okay, you're hanging yourself then. If you're working in the ministry, when you see that the government is not able to give you funds, what did you do? Because you're working in the government, you went to school, you're working for Malawians, what did you do? Government cannot give money for this. What are the other options?
And if I may say, we have submitted cost report to the client, which is stopped off.
Let me help you.
February.
You write proposals to other funders. It's not only government that can give. There are so many funders that you can go to. We are struggling as government. This is for Malawians. Could you help us with this funding? Even come to the office of the Vice President, can we work together to find donors to help us to do this? We can talk to the President, let's find donors to do this. Because we are a team. When I'm asking you these questions, it's not that I'm saying, oh, look at them. I'm saying we are a team, just like a football team. One player is injured, but cannot pass the ball to those that are fast. He's always complaining, I cannot pass the ball to anybody because I'm injured. Why can't you pass the ball to the other one? You're not the only ones in the ministry. You have your colleagues in the President's office, Vice President's office. We work as a team so that when we default, I don't come to ask you, because I should have found these excuses in the office of the Vice President. You say we have failed because of the fraud. We are under the sun, things do happen. But the problem is don't have the paper trail to say this has failed because of that. He is talking about price adjustments and designs. Those things are not found anywhere. You know them, it's captured in your minds, but not out there. So what I'm saying, my dear sister, is that let's work together, plead with other funders. Titalizeni, chifua antwambili kunoko weekend. Ena mangoma moa, ena kupanga easy because there's no entertainment. So let's think very fast. I also talk to those guys. I mean, I will be a drama. Let's work together with Chitamange. Deti masaina baba alitizaka iti panopo. Kuna kulitanani? Jata. So let's work together. It's not like hey. No. Let's work together. Musaba panile nchito kuti fandi pasa ichichi, ngasandi pasa drama, nothing will happen. You have to go and knock elsewhere. Ichichi mmachiwala kuti tinechirungama. Ichichi mmachiwala takuyimbirana, let's meet here. Oh, paja mu French culture. Mmachiwala. That's the fact. Mmachiwala. If this were your personal business, kitachatuka regardless. Ngongole mabanki kuti mujimalize. Let's have that business oriented behavior. Titalizane chifuchi. My problems mbili. Let us share. Let's work together. Like you blood and anatiwala ife kunoko. Anatiwala kunoko basi no sa mangira anatiwala. Atoma tukona bomba. Kuma difeo abene we are not doing what we are supposed to be doing. So pepulanga, my problems are kalapo mpaka na Yesu kubwera. Kuma let's find a way of sorting those problems out and helping Malawians. Basically, that's what I wanted to communicate.
Where I live about this and the problems we are supposed to be support PPDA issues of infrastructure. I signed the government letter first of all. That's going to show what we need to press on them so that we can.
That's what I'm saying. Eventually, most. So PPDA kila kama miezi 4. Sina turuki. That's where you have to go to the office of the president, office yanga, Tanzania, ichichike masanga. Then we move fast because we just put it there. Basta zulela kwina chito mwanami mwa ulesi. I will do it tomorrow. Which means tomorrow, if you have submitted, mawa ti ayimbire kuti chilipati ichichi. No, I'm very interested. Not that only I'm an actor, komanso I'm interested kuti angazibwera panopo. I mean, let the people come here and get entertained. And the like. It's part of life. Okay. Chabu, let me thank you for coming. And this is teamwork. Let's tell each other where things are not moving okay. And let's move together. Now on.
Yeah, I can see this.
In July last year, we were tasked as DOB to bring out a new modern feel for the open theatre. So with this design, which is based on what we had before existed, it's going to seat about 950 capacity. And if you see through the illustrations, you will see that we have what we call like a material top of bucket seats. So we have that bucket seats. On top of that, we were trying to use a theme, the national flag. So you see that we have red, green, and black. On top of that, we say that we cannot have the finish of the roof as modern like hard iron sheets. So that's where the synthetic fiber thatch, which imitates the natural thatch that was put in, which is that illustration here. So basically what we have here is just illustrating all of that. The reason why we had researched and recommended this was because with this synthetic fiber thatch, the maintenance is low. as opposed to natural village. Yes. So if you may go through the drawings, if there are any questions, you may ask.
Yeah, you see, the suggestion by the Minister of Local Government is fantastic. I'm not supporting that, but communication and pushing, and also thinking outside the box to say, well, here we are stuck. What else can we do? Kumaso as a Malawian, why do you have Mzungu Ababa? When I come to down, small things count. You just say, oh, you just say, oh, you meet them. You are the president of Swap.
We did not stop then when we were doing this research for something for 950. We are also further tasked that though we had not been asked, we also explored, because he had talked of, usually nowadays we're having over 1,200 to maybe 2,000 in the audience. So they said if you can have a design whereby you can have actually sitting capacity up to 12,500. So that's with that one we had a proposal made, which is this. Unfortunately, we haven't pinned it up there, but then the drawings are also there with illustrations as well.
Okay.
Yes.
What about toilets up there?
The toilets up there were under another contract.
It's another.
Yes,
It's another one.
it's another contract.
Kumano, it's not then. We are talking about 950
Yes.
people coming here. Now, these people you made a call, they have to go to the toilets, right? Now, many of the people that have worked on this, they should also work on the toilets, because that becomes more or less a comprehensive program. Because you can do this well done, excellent, but somebody starts to mess up, then people start pointing fingers at the contractor, government, because I mean you can't do this living out the bathrooms, no.
So with that one,
Well, it's been resolved.
if I may say, when we proposed this, we were doing rehabilitation works for ablution works on that end as well. Unfortunately, as we were saying that in December, the approvals were not done to encompass all those works. So we had to revert back to just the original contracts.
As you are discussing, when I'm done with you can't have a toilet. Because I've won the contract already. Why not give them a panging toilet to home? Because Mugapita toilet to go, we now also to Zabula, Makati toilet yatan, with the people have started patronizing. It's not a directive, but I'm asking you to consider that seriously, because it doesn't really, make sense. It's like Manganyumba, you open a toilet, and you say toilet at a mangan DNA, Kumamkataba, Atakuloa, they put toilet as manga in a So, I mean, as a double tell you, please. Hey! Hey! Yes.
No, I think she has already said it. We were waiting on the addition of Blantyre.
I'm just saying, as a lay person, you can't have a house, you open a toilet, put it the contractor, it doesn't just make sense. For my easy speed, November, we think outside the box, everybody should come on board. Let's see how we can move together. And one wonders, this is the commercial city. Entertainment on by weekend, Libe, Piraoka. Look how we are Mujeni, Piraoja, Atani Asia, which Paganova now upon a break. No entertainment. And then we blame the youngsters by weekend. You have nowhere to go. So it's part of constructing somebody's way of living. Ngapempa chonde please. Ichichi November chikalichitatani chitata. What am I saying again?
Yes.
You are here. I'm moving around with your signature.
It's appreciated. I'll make sure.
Please. You did a very good job, Uzomba. See, we're not there when you're telling the president about all those things.
Yes.
Do it here as well. Do it here as well. Hey. Let's focus. Naonga.
Yeah.
Hey, hey. Hey. Ipo kimsingi kama kimsingi kama mtu akaanza kufanya digi hapa. Hey. Hey. What did you like? Give me the door. That is, I didn't think about that.